Hello everyone. In this math problem, we will solve accident rate analysis for a given data. We will rate accident. We will study accident rate analysis for some given data. Some data are given: motor vehicle consumption, fuel consumption. Say first, fuel consumption is given. Fuel consumption is given as 5.08 million liter, given in million liter. Fatalities are given 3114. Injuries are given, motor vehicle injuries are given 355,799, and registered vehicle are 6,721,049 is the registered vehicle number. And population of the city, say the population of the city is 18,190,238, and the fuel runs 12.48 kilometer per liter. So we have to calculate, firstly we have to calculate registration death rate. Registration death rate for this accident. Next we have to calculate population death rate. And also calculate accident rate per vehicle. So in this problem we have to use three methods to calculate accident rate. So to solve this problem, firstly we have to calculate the vehicle kilometer travel. Vehicle kilometer of travel will be our total consumption, fuel consumption. Total fuel consumption multiplied by kilometer per liter used. So our fuel consumption is 5.8 million, that is 5.8 into 10 to the power 9 into per liter vehicle runs 12.48 kilometers. So total vehicle kilometer travel will be 5.808 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by 12.48 kilometer per liter. So it will give us the calculated value 63.1 into 10 to the power 9 kilometer. This is the vehicle kilometer travel. Next we have to calculate firstly the registration death rate. The registration death rate will be R. Registration death rate. The registration death rate formula R is equal to B into 10,000 divided by M, where B is the fatalities. Our fatalities is 3114 into 10,000 divided by M. M is the motor vehicle registered. Our registered number of motor vehicle is here, that is 6.7 million. We can write it in brief, 6.72 million. Million will be 10 to the power 6. 6.72 into 10 to the power 6 will be the rate. One thing, okay. So our calculating this value will give us 3114 multiplied by 10,000 divided by 6.27 into 10 to the power 6 will give us 4.63 is the death rate per 10,000 vehicle. Is the death per 10,000 vehicle registered. This is one answer for accident data. Next we have to calculate population death rate. Population death rate. The population death rate R will be B into 100,000 divided by P. P is the population. B is the amount of number of fatality, that is 3114 multiplied by 100,000, and P is the population, and our population is 18.2 million. We can say 18.2 into 10 to the power 6, that is million. So this value will give us, calculated that this value will give us 17.1, and this will be 17.1 death per 100,000 population. This is another accident rate. So lastly, we have to calculate the accident rate per vehicle kilometer. Accident rate per vehicle kilometer, and it will be also formula is R equal to C into 100 million. We have to write the 100 million divided by V. Our V is the value where it is written vehicle of kilometer travel. V is given over here, that is 63.1 into 10 to the power 9. This value is given over here. So actually this value is 5.0, not 5.08 million. It 5.082. It is 5,082 million. It is actually 5,082 million. So in brief, we can write it is at 5.08 into 10 to the power 9, because 5,082 million means 5 billion almost. So 5 billion, 5.08 billion. So 5.08 billion will be 10 to the power 9. So in that case, our V will be 63.1 into 10 to the power 9. C is the our fatality. Our fatality is 3114 multiplied by, we have to multiply it with 100 million. So calculating this will give us 4.93. This will be 4.93. The answer will be 4.93 vehicle kilometer, 4.93 death, 4.93 death per 100 million vehicle kilometer travel. Answer will be vehicle kilometer travel. So there is 4.93 death per 100 million vehicle kilometer travel. One confusion I want to resolve. Our fuel consumption will be 5,082 million liters. So it will be 5.08 into 10 to the power 9. So multiplying with 12.48 will give us 63.1 into 10 to the power 9 kilometer. So these are the three methods. One is registration death rate, another one is population death rate, and accident rate per vehicle kilometer. We can calculate it using these three formulas, and hope you enjoy the math problem. Thank you so much.